Hi. So today I'm going to be doing a video about ballet. As you can see, I'm still in ballet flats. I'm not ready for point yet because I only started dancing in ballet last year, 2012. So yeah, as you can see, I dance a lot now because like all dirty and stuff. Now I'm going to show you how to sew your ballet flats if you're still not ready in point, and like some tips about ballet flats. So as you can see, I sewed my elastic on the wrong side. I'm supposed to sew it on the heel because when I'm going to the point, you can see a little pinch there. So like that's why it's going to be over here. And my mom is going to buy some thick elastic for me so I can re-sew it again. Then I label them. So this is my right and this is my left. And I might get some ribbons too to add to my ballet flats. So where you wanna so you have to sew the ribbons in line with this line. Okay, then with the drawstring. When I first got my ballet flats, it was like really long. So what I do is just like cut it a little bit so it's like equal, like that. Then I tie it into a bow. Tie it into the bow like this. But I don't leave it just like a bow. But some people do, and it's a choice. What I do is just tuck it in to make it all pretty and nice like that. So yeah. Okay, bye. And after this video, I'm going to do some feet exercises for your ballet flats. Like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any questions about ballet, I will tell you the answers. Bye.